Here from the JollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my haul from MFT. I think I mentioned in the video that I picked up some stuff during their 60% off sale. In this video, I kind of go through that, but also talk about some of the concerns, etc., that I have felt and some other people have expressed. I hope to have a video on the topic at some point, a more broader topic about craft companies and those that have closed and etc. So yeah, so that'll be a bigger conversation coming at some point, but in today's video, I just want to walk you through what I got. So if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I have no idea when this video is going up, but you should have at least seen one birthday card by now, and I will have another one in the next couple of days. I'm trying to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday as we transition into my holiday card series, which starts the Wednesday after Memorial Day here in the US, which I think would be like the 5th or 6th. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't have my calendar pulled up, and I can't do math. Oh my word. So yeah, so let's head over to the craft table. I'll walk you through what I got today. And again, I'm kind of chatting about lots of things in this video. So yeah, let's go take a look. All right, let me pull everything out. Make sure you can't see my address. And we will get to everything that I picked up. A couple of things to note. Number one, they ended their challenges. Now, I feel like that I don't understand why craft companies still have challenges. I think there's maybe 2 people that are upset about the challenges going away. Maybe more, I don't know. But I know one of them is, I mean, it's probably just because they're no longer going to have a chance to win free product, because when you only have a few number of people, you know, entering when there's prizes, then the same person can win, you know, more often. And then they got rid of their rewards program. So now the points end on July 31st. So if you're like, Misty, what? Go cash in your points. I think I have $15 worth. So, but you can't use the code with it. So I'm like, okay, I don't know that it's worth it for me. I don't know. And now you no longer get to select your gift for $60 and above. And the gift this time was an ink pad that I don't need. So a lot of changes that they're making that are hopefully helpful. I've heard a rumor that they were at a conference recently in Las Vegas. So I don't know. Hopefully they will. Someone in the group said they don't owe us an explanation for what they're doing with their business. True, but transparency is always helpful. Like, you don't have to tell us your complete business, but if you're going out of business, or if, you know, you need to make some changes for your business, let your customers know, because we don't want them to close like that. None of us want them to close. We just want them, you know, to make a few little changes. Like, number one, the price of dyes is dumb. It's dumb. $45. $45 for a dye that goes with the stamp set. And I'm like, this is why I love Stampin' Up. Like, what are we doing? This is too flippin' expensive. Okay, so anyway, we'll talk about that. So here's the ink pad I got, Candied Yam. I don't even think they carry this color anymore. So I got some paper, because you know I had to. So this is the holiday plaid from last year. I picked up 2. Oh, is this that toner paper? Dang it, I wouldn't have gotten these if I'd known it was the toner paper. Anyway, I got the orange sherbet plaid, love, and then the rainbow plaid. I probably have 15 of these, and I just bought some more. So yeah, anyway, there you go. And what's crazy was I was literally going to make an order that morning and use my $15 off. And then this came in an email. I'm like, well, never mind. I will go pay 60% off. So yeah, it's just, I don't know. I don't know. I have lots of thoughts and feelings, and hopefully I can get them to a point where I can sit down and actually film that video and talk to you guys about it. But yeah. Okay. So let's talk about stamps. I did pick up stamps and die. So this one is called Sweater Weather in the Woods. And you're probably going, Misty, you literally just got one. And yeah. different animals. So we have a moose and an owl, and I don't have a moose and owl in this one. Actually, I just completely forgot what I ordered, but it's okay. It's completely different style. You're the pumpkin spice to my latte. I've been moosing you like crazy. Can we get together soon? There are two things that perk me up, coffee and you. There's nothing foxier than you in a sweater. Oh, that's fun. When friends gather, memories are made. Sending warm hugs. So cute. So this could be a perfect fall stamp set. You can use it for Christmas. It'll probably be a Christmas one for me. That moose. Oh my gosh. I don't know if any of you guys are football, must be baseball fans. I don't remember. Moustakas, I think is his name. He used to play for the Brewers, and I call him Mustaka. I'm like, where's Mustaka? I miss him. All right, so that's the first one. This one is embarrassing. This one is so embarrassing. Who remembers when I had this? Who remembers when I sold this? Who remembers when I did the cards? I did 3 cards with the penguins, I believe. And then I sold it, and I was like, I really should have kept it. Like that, sometimes I do have regret when I sell things, especially Christmas ones. So I picked them back up, and I have the matching. I was able to get the matching dies that go with. So let me see if I can find them. I guess we can go through the dies. So I got this window die, outdoor view, and I thought this would be fun to kind of like set the scene for Santa or whatever. And then, yeah, so I got the coordinating dies for this stamp set. I picked up, these are the watercolor rectangles. So they have watercolor rectangles, squares, and circles. And I really looked at the squares and the circles, and you couldn't even really tell that it had a different kind of edge. So, but you could tell on these. And so you guys know I'm always die cutting rectangles. So I thought these would be fun to play with. Here are the penguin. Yeah. Look at that. $27 for the die set. $18 for the stamp set. Now, I've talked to someone behind the scenes who is in product development for a stamp company. And she said a 6x8 stamp set normally costs the company about $8. And the dies are probably less than half of this. I mean, I really think that's a big reason why they're, lots of reasons. Okay, I had to get this one, Cupids, because my best friend Chris is a pig fiend. He has a pig Christmas tree. I made him ornaments. I bought him, for some reason, Walgreens had these little peg decorative lights that go on a peg, and you can put them on your walkway, and I bought him a couple of sets of those. So much fun. And then I got the matching dies. But yeah, $17.99. And then look at this, $36, $40, no, $37. This one I think I already have. So if I have it, I will put the other one in a giveaway. I was like, do I have that? Do I not have that? I don't have, my inventory is not updated. So, but it's called On Solid Ground, and you get wood floor, brick floor, and then of course a cobblestone. So that is fantastic. This is the one I was really interested in. This is the Christmas selfie stamp set from, I think it's Genoblade is what they call her. Aren't these the cutest? Her critter, like clearly besotted critters are so cute. For a long time they had a little dragon set, and man did I want that one. I haven't been able to find it. She did do dragons for MFT, but of course they've all sold out and they haven't restocked anything. I want that little Highland cow stamp set. I've been waiting. I don't think they're going to restock it. I don't know, but aren't they so cute? Oh, I cannot wait. And then I picked up some number dies, and I almost got the solid ones too, but this cuts out a solid, so I didn't feel like that was necessary. So yeah, so that is my haul from MFT. And I saved 60% off. So basically I got everything. I think I paid like $120 and I saved like $200, which is bananas. But yeah, I don't know. I have lots of thoughts and lots of feelings, and hopefully I was able to articulate them well in the beginning part of this video. I love card making. You guys know I was so devastated when I wasn't sure if I would be able to do it again. And MFT is one of my favorite stamp companies. In my paper, like they did houndstooth for me. So it's like, I was like, will you please do houndstooth paper? And they did. So, you know, I don't want them to go under, but at the same time, it's like, everything is already like $50 will put gas in our tank. Like you just have to go back down on your prices. And you know, maybe you need to close your brick and mortar store. Who opens a brick and mortar store, number one, in this economy, and number two, when so many people do online? And I know that a lot of people like to go in and touch and feel and look, but I don't know how you pay rent for that. You know what I mean? Because that's probably a third building, because they need a warehouse, you know, they need a place for offices, and then they need this, and maybe they have the offices in their brick and mortar, but you have to pay salaries. I don't know. But I really hope that this doesn't spell the end. I really hope that they are able to turn things around and stay afloat. But yeah, and again, if you're someone who purchases stamp sets from China that aren't branded, I understand your reasoning, but you have to realize that that's part of the reason why so many of these craft companies are closing, because their intellectual property is being stolen and sold for a quarter of the price, and they can't keep up. Especially like MFT, where they hire illustrators. Hello Bluebird, I believe they design their own. Stamp Anything designs their own. Whimsy Stamp, they pay illustrators. So I don't know. I would just caution you. And I'm not saying that the whole Temu app is bad, other than they're stealing your information, but the phone steals everybody's information. You know, AliExpress and Temu are the platform, kind of like Amazon, and then you have individual stores. But, you know, just I caution you to just really, really think about it, because it is one of the contributing factors to some of these craft companies going away. And I would hate to miss MFT. Like, I would hate for it to go. So yeah. So anyway, that's it. What a bummer, Misty. The good thing is I got some fun goodies that we're going to use during the holiday card series. We are going to make sure that we put focus on MFT. If they're still around, we're going to focus on MFT. We're going to bring more focus to the Stamp Anything. I haven't colored my strawberry shortcake yet. If you missed it, this was the July release for me. So she's so cute. I cannot wait. So make sure you're subscribed to the Stamp Anything channel for my Fanny Friday videos over there. I'm going to continue my Use It Up series. Oh, this isn't on. Well, maybe it was better off. Anyway, I'm going to continue that series. And yeah, we're going to start the holiday card series, and I'm trying to come up with some fun ideas for that. So anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I would love to know your thoughts. If we can have a kind and respectful conversation in the comments. You can disagree with me 100%. Like, I am not the end all be all knowledge of what's happening in the craft community. In fact, I don't know anything until the last minute. I'm the last to know because I stay in my lane. And, but yeah, I mean, just, you could tell from MFT that something was changing, and something may have changed by the time this video goes up. I have no idea. I'm filming it on the 22nd of July. So maybe I'll have to add an update or whatever, but yeah. So anyway, that's it. And this is it for shopping for a long while. A long, long while. So yeah. Anyway, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a like, share it with your friends if you want to continue the conversation. If you haven't already, be sure to check out my social medias. They're listed down below. I also have Buy Me a Coffee. It's just a way to support me or support the channel. I am considering memberships or Patreon again. You guys will have to let me know what you think of that. I sucked at it the last time. But this time I have a different plan for how I would run it. So you guys will have to let me know if that's something you're even interested in. And yes, I know times are tough. I feel you, I do. So don't ever feel like you have to buy anything, even like my Etsy shop, these dash, nothing. If you watch the entire video, if you watch the ads, sharing it, liking it, all of those things, subscribing if you're not subscribed, all of those things are easy ways to support the channel without spending any money. So, yeah. All right, friends, this was heavy. I'm sorry. I'm excited to play with some new goodies. We're going to be using all the plaid. Maybe I should do a plaid month. Maybe I should do a plaid month. Ooh, all right. I love you guys. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.